Hello everybody, CryptoStrang here. Today we're going to talk about BTCC. It actually stands for Bitcoin and Crypto. This exchange has actually been around for 13 years, would you believe? Never covered it before. Basically highlighted to me, I wanted an exchange which had been around for a long time, which is built for longevity with a solid team. Now obviously BTCC has been through many highs and lows within crypto as it got started, many bull markets and bear markets, and the fact it's still around speaks volumes for the exchange itself, also the team behind it. So I'm actually just joined BTCC. Now I do have a link below. Does support the channel. We'll go through the exchange, see what you think. It's got so many positives about BTCC that I think you'll agree it's a fantastic exchange. Now, obviously, we had a lot of shock, haven't we, the last couple of years with many exchanges closing. Now, the latest one to close, which I covered, was FIAT. Now, obviously, I used FIAT for the copy trading, so naturally, I wanted to find another high-quality exchange, but also I wanted to find one which is going to be around for a long time. Now, FIAT I thought was solid. I love the team behind it, really helpful. We haven't been around that many years. However, I thought it was growing into a real solid exchange. The fact it closed, but then when you think we lost FTX, basically because the owners were just scamming everyone, really. But also when you think of Bittrex, established exchange like that closing, which was one of the first exchanges I joined back in 2016. So any exchange can close any time, but BTCC has been around, as I say, through so many highs and lows in crypto. And the fact 13 years later, it's still around. Plus, it's never been hacked. Plus, its fees are extremely low. When you actually go on the site, as you see, I'll go through all the dashboard in a minute, but it talks there about BTCC. Basically founded in June 2011. We're dedicated to making crypto trading reliable and accessible to everyone. We hold crypto license in the US, Canada, and Europe. Over the past 12 years, BTCC has provided safe trading service with top-notch technology through the ups and downs. So again, they take security to the highest level. Okay, there's no exchange out there more secure than BTCC. They've proved that obviously for all this longevity and time without being hacked goes without saying. Basically, their slogan, exchange for a better future, their vision, make crypto trading reliable and accessible to everyone. Okay, our mission is to provide a trading platform that is fair and reliable every sense. So we're going to go through it. You go on the first bit. Now, the first bit initially when you sign up, obviously you do the strong password, you do your 2FA, etc. But you just sign up, they give you 10 Tether. Now, you can see on the screen, claim your new user rewards, deposit and trade up to earn up to over 10,000 Tether. That depends how many people you get to sign up using your link, referral bonus. However, you get 10 Tether just for signing up. Okay, now if you do their KYC, now just emphasize the fact you don't have to do your KYC on BTCC, which again is another plus. If you do, you get another 20 Tether. So basically sign up, do your KYC, and you get 30 Tether for doing absolutely nothing. Now you get yourself a nice little altcoin. That could easily 5-10x with the upcoming bull market. So a massive bonus just for joining, it truly is. So again, that's a wonderful opportunity there. I love all these slides on the bottom here. It highlights different parts of the community and different elements of it. Basically on there, join BTC for the weekly Reddit discussion and you earn Tether rewards. You know, you got these competitions. Say we talked about the new user exclusive. Get your first copy trade covered. I'm going to show that in a minute. That's one of the main reasons I joined this site, okay? But just all the different slides here, you know, 35% commission if you invite a friend. Spin to win, they do these competitions. Again, it really does embrace the community. And even follow BTC on X to earn 10 Tether awards. There's constant rewards there. They really do want to engage the community and really help them out in their future crypto growth. So scroll for the site. Seize your next trading opportunity now. Obviously, explore our products. Now, the futures trading, the leverage, it's actually 500x. Even though it says 250x, it's actually 500x. Now, you've got to do your own research with that. I'll show you on the next page the leverage. Now, again, you really must do your own research. Never put anything in crypto you can't afford to lose. Extremely high risk, and leverage trading is literally the highest risk. Copy trading, something that I really, really do enjoy. I probably showed you on the other exchanges when I've done the copy trading. I really did do very well on that, and it was a nice passive income. On here, it's another level. The amount of copy traders that you can actually do and copy, and you can see how they're getting on. It's really huge. It's obviously been around for a long time. Naturally, you're going to have a lot of traders on there. Again, trade anytime, anywhere. You get it on the App Store, Google, Android API. But you can see 38 billion 24-hour trading volume. Okay, 8 billion 24-hour open interest. 2 million registered users. That speaks volumes for itself, obviously. And as already said, 13 years safe operating history. Again, there, why choose BTC? Established, obviously, all these years ago. Top liquidity, security is our priority. And that always reassures me when Exchange actually constantly talks about the fact they take security to the highest level. And again, they highlight the fact there's zero security incidents, which is absolutely incredible. Again, you've got the latest news. Really good. Keep up to date with everything that's going on. However, I do follow them on X, where they're very, very active on there, and there's constant news on there. So that's why I'd personally advise you. Again, I've got a link below to join them and follow them on X. Okay, again, help BTC Academy is great. Literally, if you're just getting started in crypto, it's an excellent way to understand crypto and get started in the academy, the trading, etc. It's important when you do the trade, and we'll go through it again in a minute. Basically, get your own strategies, and there's many strategies out there. But again, if you're just literally getting started, why don't you have a look at the copy trading side of it? Okay, the support center is fantastic online customer support. Always state it's never financial advice. Anything on here, you must do your own research. There's a lot of high risk, as I said earlier. Do your own research, but obviously crypto is a wonderful opportunity for us all. Okay, and it goes through there, all the different partnerships they've got. And again, it's got their social media links to the bottom. Okay, and their YouTube also does highlight different parts of trading as well, and it shows you how to get started. Anyway, when you go through the dashboard deposit. First thing I always look for, obviously security and getting set up and everything's secure, but it's fiat deposit. The fact you can fund your account using Visa, MasterCard is perfect. Absolutely, you need that on any exchange. Otherwise, the moment you start transferring from elsewhere, you got fees, etc. You lose your money before you even got started. So I love the fact they've got the fiat deposit, very easy, P2P, buy and sell cryptos with flexible payment methods and zero transaction fees. Crypto deposit, make instant crypto transfers to your futures account and convert your assets to different cryptos instantly. That's really good. Okay. Now you go through there, markets. Obviously, you've got your futures. So on that screen, you've got the future part of it, all your leverage, etc. You've got your perpetual futures, demo trading. Now that is really good. The fact you can just use pretend money, learn your own strategies, learn about trading with a demo trading account with free pretend crypto is absolutely fantastic. And again, it's got trading articles as well. Now the copy, I'm going to show you that as well. Again, I'll highlight before. Now the spot, many different parts of it. You can see all the spot trading. Now they've got many layer ones in here, layer twos, meme coins, all your favorites, a lot of low cap gems as well. Just go through it. Many of my favorites I talk often on this channel about are on BTCC. So again, if you just want to buy your altcoins and hold for the next bull market, it's absolutely fantastic. It's great to see they've got the new layer ones, the exciting ones for the next bull market, like your Aptos, your layer two, like Arbitrum. Okay, and you go through, you've got your Avalanche, you've got AXS, which obviously was fantastic in our bull market. You know, you go through all these different projects here, which we've spoken, I say so many times, even nervous there. Look, okay, scroll through Polkadot. ENA looks a really exciting project. Never looked into it too much, but I've looked at it brief. Looks really good. You got FET there, Floki, go on and on. Flow, I've spoken about many times. FTM, ICP, Illuvium, IMX. How many times I spoke about IMX? Wonderful opportunity of IMX. Jasmy, obviously speak about a lot. He goes on and on. So there's many. So it's really good the fact you can also hold your altcoins here as well. Now you go on your benefits. Exclusive news, as we said, all the sign-up bonuses, the campaigns. Join our campaigns to receive exciting rewards. Okay, they've got the VIP program and obviously referrals. As I say, I've got my own link below. Please join using it. I do appreciate it. He talks about there about affiliates. So it's very easy laid out. Got all different sections on it. It's really good. So I'm literally just going to get started on here, but I want to go through the different parts of it. So when you look at the leverage trading, I say it's extremely high risk, do your own research. But basically, when you look at the leverage here, you can see on here, you can basically start 1x. You can go up to what you want to do. But the highest you can do is actually 500x, would you believe, which is absolutely huge. Okay, and it talks there about your take profit, your stop losses, make it very easy to lay out. But their fees are very minimal on BTCC. The lowest fee you can actually get is 0.01, which is ridiculously low. Okay, as I said before, you've got the demo trading. If you just want to basically transfer to that, switch into demo trading, just gives you the chance to play with it and say, just learn about trading that way. There's obviously many videos out there about how to do different kinds of trading, from your live trading to your demo trading. And you've got all the different parts here. So if you want to do that, it's absolutely fantastic. But copy trading, I say, is sort of my passion being the last few years. I've been learning a lot about trading, do a lot of copy trading, done really well, especially on Fairdex. It was nice passive income. Obviously, there's no guarantee, as we state. And when the market had a bit of a mare, didn't we, back in August, it really did fluctuate massively. I did make a bit of a loss at one point, beginning of August. However, that is all the part of trading. No one could see what was going to happen to crypto. Everyone thought it was just going to slowly go up, didn't we? We didn't expect a massive drop like we had at the beginning of August. So again, there you can see here, 220, look at that, million successful trades, 600,000 plus total copy traders, 420 million total copy trading earnings. Okay, you can scroll through there. Now we can also see a total profit and loss, P&L, win rates. So you basically want to find the trade you like the most. You can see here the ones with the best profit and loss. You know, the total profit and loss from the whole time being on it. The Rising Stars, a new one, number of copy traders is absolutely huge, much bigger than all the other exchanges I've been on. Okay, so again, do your own research, find it. I will start doing this. I'll probably do a dedicated video. I think everyone would appreciate that. Okay, I generally do. Now, you go on their actual X, as I said, constant updates and the competition. See their weekly giveaways, $200 plus. You know, they've been on X or Twitter it was known then, basically not far off 11 years. Okay, so 230,000 followers. Now, obviously doing these Halloween treats and these campaigns, these competitions. Just follow BTC Exchange, retweet some favorite friends and etc. And tag free friends, and basically you've got to put crypto candy BTC Exchange and Halloween. You got a chance to win 100 Tether. Okay. Again, there it talks about the leverage trading, new listing alerts, which was great to see. We get these low cap gems. And also here, they're giving away 130 Sui to 10 lucky followers. Now, Sui, I think, is going to be the hype of this next bull market, one of the big hype layer ones, up and coming project. A lot of talk about this being fantastic technology. And I think it would do extremely well. Obviously, no guarantee, but every single bull market, you seem to get that layer one, which is the big hype. And obviously, the last one, Cardano done well. My favorite, obviously, Solana was one that rocketed to crazy prices. So I think so do. So it's certainly worth doing that. It truly is. Okay, and you just scroll through and it constantly say the competition. So again, follow them on there. It really makes it easy to get some free crypto. Now, again, Halloween coming up, trade futures and overalls up to 1.8 million USD tether. Okay, time until the campaign ends from now is basically over 3 days. Talks about the campaign period up to November the 1st. Okay, so it's really important. And also got this world trading competition, total prize pool 10 million tether. And again, there you can see all the different stuff they've got going on. So there's many parts of this site I still need to engage, get involved with, but the copy trading is my first port of call. But also like the fact, as I said earlier on that campaign, on the benefit, under benefits, you've got campaigns. Join our campaign to receive exciting rewards. So again, there's many parts of this exchange I need to keep focus on. So I just want to give you an overview of this exchange. I think it's really good. And I say, instantly think of the fact it hasn't been hacked, it's been around 13 years. Their dashboard's beautifully laid out, very easy deposit fiat. You can do your copy trading, you can hold your altcoins. So it's got everything you need on this exchange, it really is. So it's a wonderful opportunity here, and certainly one to keep an eye on. So again, please use my link below. I do appreciate it, I generally do. It's certainly one to keep an eye on, this exchange. I think it's really good. So thanks very much. Anyone help as usual, email me, info@cryptostrang.com, or my social media links below. Come and join us on our Telegram group. Wonderful opportunity there. I say, fascinating time ahead in crypto. Obviously, the market is quite stagnant, a little bit of a drop. However, I think it's perfectly poised. And if it follows a normal routine, we should have a mega bull run, hopefully, but only time will tell. So, as I say, wonderful time to be in crypto. It truly is. Thanks very much. Have a wonderful week ahead. We will chat soon. Cheers now. Bye.